meantime, good afternoon, everyone. I love all presentations and the project that you've shown. My presentation today show a bit of behind the scenes and not talking exactly about the project, but what does it mean growing a company from garage to 40 people and having more bigger and complex projects. I'm from ELE Interior, which is interior design boutique studio based in Dubai, but with projects all around the world. We work on high-end residential, commercial, and hospitality projects, and with more than 250 projects behind us. So as a human-centric and design approach and growing team from 2 to 40, we needed to set up structure and system, and this is what I'm going to discuss today. Sorry, yeah, sure. So rethinking growth, what really means, it's not about radical change. It's more than, for us in our studio, understanding talents within the existing team who are part of that growth, and then build structures and systems on that existing team. Giving opportunity to people who are part of your team to see from different perspectives and adapting, of course, through years on different systems and softwares and technologies. Not just to do firefighting that we do every day, but to create an environment for sustainable growth in the future. Important part of our studio and our philosophy is that we always prioritize quality over quantity in selection of the projects, and understanding that quality that we deliver to the market, to our clients, it's something that build volume over time. Challenges that we are facing and that I hope you find relatable, it's that whenever as a leadership has idea of structure and system, it's hard to understand what are the gaps while implementing that system and structure. And challenges rethinking growth every day and filling this gap as a part of continuous improvement. Another challenge that we are facing as Dubai design consultancy, it's always bringing new talents to team and finding the right people who can already take a load but meet your standards of delivery and the quality. That's why we are more focused on building the talents through our junior team members, and that will create clear vision for them that and growth in the future. One of the big lessons of growing a design consultancy is its power of saying no. Not every project is a good project, but sometimes also not every good project is a right project if it's not aligned with our vision, our core values. We try to not take projects that when we are not operationally ready, just in order to remain consistent through our quality of delivery. Systems and structures are very hard to implement in creative industry, in creative-minded environment. People are very resistant of clicking, time logging, and so on. But it's important to internally communicate that process and systems are there to protect creativity, to create clear job descriptions and clear frames for everyone's work. That consistency, that clear job roles will build consistency over all the projects, depends on the scale and quantity. Second part I want to touch is that building the decision-making structure. Personally, I'm a big fan of micromanagement because not for a reason of controlling someone's work, but of importance aligning everyone way of decision-making with the company goals, and then putting later on in structure that not every decision definitely should depend on the leadership, but also it should be aligned with a bigger company vision and goal. At the end, as someone who is very impatient, for me this was the biggest part of learning and rethinking what growth means. Quality takes time, same way that we design or deliver the project, growing a sustainable, healthy working environment and delivering consistently good quality projects, it takes time. Thank you so much.